अब मैं कर देना बारिश।
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I've been wanting to vlog from since so many days, but I haven't been thinking कि मेरा memory full हो जाएगा because I barely have 10 GB storage left because I had all the Amritsar content, but I transferred that, but I still have no storage and I need the storage for another trip that we are going to. I have so much content to post. It's very chaotic, but I'm very excited. There's packing to do. I have so much editing to do from the Amritsar vlog. I am working on some projects, and in the middle of everything, I'm loving it. I'm loving this. But this is how I used to be in 2021. I used to do 10 things together, and I used to complete all of that. I'm getting there. So I'm very excited. Today I have to go collect my mark sheet. Today is 24th May. I have to go collect my mark sheet. We leave in 2 days for our... I'm not going to tell you, but this might just be the first part of the vlog. But either ways, I have to go collect my mark sheet, finish some paperwork, bank work, and then work on the projects, shoot. I have to shoot also for collabs. I have to edit all my Amritsar. My Amritsar content is only 2 days ka. That was a 10-day trip. Only 2 days ka I've posted, and now I'm already going on another trip. So my year-end tak ka content is sorted. It's very confusing. It's very chaotic, but it's okay. I'm going to transfer all of this. My laptop also doesn't have storage. There's so much content stored on that. I'm going to transfer it on a drive, on a hard drive, and then shoot, and then make space, transfer, shoot, make space, transfer, shoot. Bye. I need to get ready. I'm very late. We are at the airport. We are at the international airport. I don't know if you can hear me, but my mood was so messed up. It is still messed up because there's been so much hodgepodge. I had to work, I had to edit, upload my vlog, and I had to put my laptop in the bag. I had to pack. So everything, a lot of things were just end moment and very chaotic. But we are at the airport. I have a very strong feeling that we're forgetting something behind, but we'll only know when we're there. And we had the place we're going, there's only only cable luggage because we want to shop. We know, my dear 2 people want to go there and shop, so we had only only cable, but we have 6 bags again. So but anyways, it is last year this time I was here for, not this time, like same week kind of, I was here for my solo Thailand trip. This year we are here for girls trip. McDonald's duty. Last time, this is the exact place I was sitting. I'll show you once I go back. And I had taken McDonald's and settled there. Now I'm taking for my dears McD. We have a lot of ghar ka khana
but it's okay. We'll do that. So let's go. All security check-ins, everything done. By the way, today is 26th May, and yeah, we're going. I'm not going to show you the location. I'm going to make you watch the whole thing, and I'm going to talk as much as I can because then I forget, and then when I edit, then I don't feel like recording. So I'm going to talk. Okay. It is. I have no idea what the time is also, but it is some time, and we have 3 hours ish for this to start boarding. Wow, what is this?
I should meet where?
Maybe वही हो गया.
But what you're doing?
I want to record unboxing.
I come to the gate, right?
Record.
Hi guys.
Making a deja vu reel. This exact chair last year, few days after today, I was here. Same chair, McD, price alone. I'm not alone. Last time I was not alone, but I sat alone. So I'm just clicking the reel and going. We are casually pinning. Mother deer has settled at the gate. We are roaming now. So this girlie wanted something meetha ice cream types, and we had a Zomato coupon, and we got a free Starbucks. This is the second time in the last 10 days that I've got a free Starbucks. Before this, they had some offer going on. You had to look for a Starbucks cup on the Zomato map, and then you get a free one. And now this is another one. And this girlie has seen an actress, a TV actress, and she wants to go click photo. But she's sleeping.
Disturb नहीं करते ना guys. But we will go.
You will. She did it, guys. She did it. Insert image. Hello, I am here to charge my laptop because I need to edit and do some work. So I want to tie my hair up, but every time I open my hair to tie it up, it's still wet because I had bath late today. I think I have to put my clips.
landed in Vietnam. We landed in Vietnam and we just got this. What? I don't know if you can hear me also, but we got currency converted. We got $50 converted for now. And so we took dollars from India. Look at me. So I was saying we got dollars from India and we got $50 converted for now, because if we would get the Vietnamese currency, we would have to carry suitcases filled of cash only. So that's what we've done. We're going to get out and take a SIM card from outside. Right now phones are shut. First thing I identify in any place I go: why is there no jet spray? But you know, I don't know if I showed it, but I got the portable jet spray, but it's in the suitcase, so obviously I can't use that right now. Why? This currency is only going to drive us crazy. So we converted approximately 5,000 rupees, and that is 12 lakh idhar ka. We took a bus from right outside, right opposite the airport. My phone is on 5%, mama. Get back to once we check in, and then I'll talk to you about the check-in experience. But right now we are at Ben Thanh Market. I'll show you. You see the entire market, souvenirs. This woman drinking 40,000 ka watermelon juice.
Hello,
this is only fruit
juice,
okay? And I should celebrate more अच्छे से.
We are having banana milkshake for 20,000. This market looks like Mumbai ka proper market. I'm holding the phone Wafla. Finally. Toing 2506 hash. La 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 la. Now that you've not come inside also. Hello. My bestie, I found my bestie.
Ready? I'm saying so much suspense. 84%.
Hi. It is 1 AM here. It is India time 11:30, I think. But we went to whatever that market was. You saw the name. It was in the area only. So we reached here, and we had to wait for check-in was at 2, so we reached early. So we just kept our luggage at the reception and then we left. We got a SIM card. We then went to the market. This was one of the market that's, you know, in the area. We went there, we explored, we bought a few things. We had some milkshake and juice, and then we came back and checked into our room. You have the room tour, you have the reaction. And after that, we ate, we chilled, and I think I've only talked in this video. This is what happens. I either talk the entire video or I just show other stuff the entire video. But anyways, that happened. I ate and then I thought I'll sleep for some time, for an hour or so, because we were going to get out in the evening and we were all resting, and I slept, and then I got up and it was 5 hours later and I was like, ye ho gaya. But then yeah, it was raining also here in the evening, so we just decided to continue. So when I got up, it was 10 o'clock idhar ka time. I slept around 5 o'clock and it was 10 o'clock idhar ka time. So and then after that I've just been scrolling, chilling. I want to transfer footage and edit and stuff, but I don't think I'll do that. I will do that tomorrow, find some time tomorrow and do it. I'm going to go sleep again. It's 1 now. But yeah, so I got up and I was like 5 years later. Wow, 5 hours later. What is happening? But today was a chill day. We just went Aaju Baaju mein. I don't know if I've already mentioned this in the vlog, but we basically landed at the Ho Chi Minh City airport. It has a different name. I'll put it in the description. But we landed and then we took a bus from outside the airport. We paid 75,000 VND, not rupees, VND. So they basically charged us 15,000 per head plus for 2 bags. So total 15,000 into 5. That got us, dropped us at a certain stop, and then it was very difficult. We didn't take a SIM card by then, so it was very difficult to communicate. So we showed them the address we want to go to. We showed people around the address, and then we finally found a way. And then we took a taxi from that bus stop to our location. And then we waited for the check-in because again there was a language barrier and we didn't know how to communicate. But there were people down in there was a shop, there was a lady, she had a Google Translator, and that's how we figured out and connected with the owner of this property, means the person, whoever booking in charge, whatever. And then we settled. I've slept so much, I'm still sleepy. From tomorrow we're going to start shooting nicely and roaming and creating content. I don't know if this is the end of day 1 video, but I'm talking so much. I don't even know if it's audible enough. But yeah, if it is the end of this video, then thank you for watching. I will see you in the video for day 2. If it's not the end of this video, then continue watching. Bye.